So if you're facing a problem kicked for unexpected client's behavior over on Roblox, whenever you try to join a server, it will display this error that kicked for unexpected client's behavior. So in this video, we're going to cover how you can fix that. So make sure to watch the video till the end and follow all the steps properly. And let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you have to do here is to press the Windows plus R, and this run box will be popped up, and here you have to type %app data %. So once you're there, now you're gonna go to app data. From here, now go to local, and then you have to find Roblox folder. From here, simply go to Roblox, and over there you have to delete these 3 files. So simply go ahead and delete that. Once you have done, now you're gonna go to versions, and now you have to go to the latest version of the applications and check if there is any file named app settings is available. So you need to delete that file also. After doing these 2 things, now you're gonna go back to your desktop again, and over there right click on your network and open network settings. Once you're there, now you're gonna go to network and sharing center. Now select the network which is currently connected with your PC. Now go to properties, and here you will find internet protocol version 4. So simply double click on that, and here you will find the internet protocol version 4 properties. So currently it's checked to obtain DNS server address automatically, so you have to check it to the manual one. And now we're gonna add the DNS server address manually. So simply type these numbers here and hit OK. Alright, so once you have done with that, now simply open your Roblox and join the server, and you can see this time you will not face any kind of error. So this is basically how you can fix the unexpected client behavior error on Roblox. So all for today's video, guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.